అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఎలా ఉన్నారు? బాగున్నారా? నేను 2012లో పిజ్జా మూవీ కోసం వచ్చాను. దట్ టైమ్ ఐ కేమ్ ఫర్ అ ప్రమోషన్, పిజ్జా ప్రమోషన్. దట్ టైమ్ one fan from one theatre, he gave me on 10 rupees and then he said, if we Telugu people like you means you'll become a very big in your life. I never forget that person and then that 10 rupees. Wow. I love you. And then I did Uppana and Saira, and then I'm very happy to see you all, and then thank you so much for coming in. Thank you.
So aa roju atanu cheppinatte you have got the millions of
that it was surprise. He was chasing me and then he gave me the 10 rupees and then he blessed me.
Wow.
That moment is awesome moment. And
so
thank you.
After 12 years oka pushkaram tarvata vacharu anamata. After 12 years what made you come here to promote Maharaja? Why is it Maharaja so special for you?
Yeah, of course it's my 50th film.
Yes.
And thank you. We shown this film to more than 200-300 people and everybody liked it. And I hope and we hope you people will enjoy this film. And I am also waiting that one guy, who coming in while giving an interview, he behaved weirdly and he gives interview. I want to see such noises and then to have fun. I think that Telugu will have more fun while watching this film and they will have enjoyed this film. That's what I believe. That's why we came. Generally, I come for a promotion. I feel very shy. So for this film, I strongly believe everybody will love this film. That's why we came, and thanks so much for coming.
Amazing. మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా ప్రమోషన్స్కి రావడం చాలా రోజుల తర్వాత వచ్చారు, బట్ స్టిల్ దెర్ ఆర్ మెనీ అదర్ వేస్ టు కనెక్ట్ విత్ యువర్ ఫ్యాన్స్, రైట్? సో తెలుగు ఫ్యాన్స్ నుంచి మీకు లవ్ ఎలాగా మీరు రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు? వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ స్పెషల్ థింగ్, ద బాండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ విత్ తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్?
When I did Pizza, when I did Saira, when I did Uppena, wherever I go, maybe in customs, in central government jobs, there are a lot of Telugu people are working. They receive me with so much of warm and love.
Wow.
I have so much gratitude for them. And they don't see me like that I speak some other language. No, I'm from Tamil. No, they don't. They give me so much love. Even now, when we entered at Hyderabad airport, there are a lot of people come into photographs and they just bless me and say all the best. And then I feel so blessed. And it is most comfortable to come and see the audience here. Because first film I was nobody. Yeah, it was a big hit there in Chennai also.
Yeah.
I was nobody, but the theatre was full and people were enjoying every moment of Pizza. So after 12 years, I hope the same audience will come and enjoy this film and celebrate this film. And they always give me so much of love and affections. And thank you so much for that. Andariki thanks and chala thanks and.
Absolutely. Especially after watching the trailer, we can't wait to watch the movie and Jappali. That's so interesting. Okkasari we want Vijay Sethupathi garu to describe Lakshmi. మీరు ట్రైలర్ లో చెప్తున్నారు కదా, ఐ థింక్ మేము కూడా గెస్ చేస్తాం. వి విల్ ట్రై టు గెస్, రైట్?
మీరు గెస్ చేశారా? లక్ష్మి
మీరు డిస్క్రైబ్ చేస్తారు.
లక్ష్మి అంటే ఏంటి మీరు గెస్ చేశారా?
అంటే ట్రైలర్ లో అయితే చెప్తున్నారు డబ్బు కాదు, జ్యువెలరీ కాదు, వైఫ్, సిస్టర్, డాటర్ కూడా కాదు. నౌ డిస్క్రైబ్ ఫర్ us.
యాక్టింగ్ చేయాలి.
యాక్టింగ్ మైక్ ఇచ్చేసి విత్ మైకా. లక్ష్మి.
I hope
guys, any guesses? తీసుకుందాం వాళ్ళ నుంచి కూడా ఆన్సర్స్ ట్రై చేద్దాం.
This Maharaja is very thrilling experience and I don't think so that you can guess the script or film till the last frame the story is happening. This film will surprise you. When I listen the script from Nithilan, this is his second film. I don't know whether any of you watched his first film. The first film was called Korang Bommai. There is very interesting screenplays there. This is Maharaja. I love the screenplay he wrote for this film. This will surprise you and it will give you a new experience while watching the film. That we have a strong guarantee. So come and watch the film in June 14 in theatre. Thank you.
Thank you so much. అందరి నుంచి ఒక కామన్ యునానిమస్ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఏంటి అంటే, అయ్యో ఓకే బేబీ డైలాగ్ మీ నుంచి వినాలని. అంతేనా?
పాప పాప మీ పేరేంటి?
దివిష.
నివిషా. అరే ఓకే బేబీ, ఐ లవ్ యూ.
ఓకే,
ఐఎమ్ ఆల్సో ఓకే.
సూపర్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. సో మీ నుంచి ఇంకా సినిమా గురించి మేము మాటలు వింటాము.